Pangatlo si Rosa sa apat na magkakapatid. Dating overseas Filipino worker ang kanyang ina mula sa Cavite. Samantalang US citizen naman ang kanyang ama. Aminadong likas na mahiyain, ngunit ang kanyang ina ang naging dahilan sa pagsali niya sa mga pageants. 13 years old si Rosa noong una siyang sumali sa pageant at simula noon, tuloy-tuloy na ang pagrampa niya. Dahil sa Chicago pinanganak si Rosa, isa siyang American citizen. Kaya naman nung nag-18 siya, nag-offer ang kanyang ama na tumulong sa pagpapaaral sa kanya at dalhin siya ng Amerika. Sa kasalukuyan, nagtatrabaho siya bilang hospital corpsman sa Naval Medical Center sa San Diego, California. At para makipag-zoom-mustahan sa atin ngayong umaga, makakasama natin live from US, Rosa Lindquist.
Good morning! Is it Rosa or Rosa?
It's up to you.
Depende kung nasaan kayo, no, sa mundo. I'm sure dyan sa San Diego, ang tawag sa'yo, Rosa. Pero
Rosa,
dito,
yeah.
pag umuwi ka sa Pinas, Rosa. Magandang gabi dyan sa iyo sa San Diego, Rosa. Iro-Rosa ko na lang para kunwari, kanurin ako. Magandang gabi sa iyo dyan, Rosa, sa San Diego. Bumati ka muna sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Pinas.
Hi, good morning po sa lahat.
Ganda-ganda naman ni Rosa, grabe. Hindi ba nabibighani yung mga tao sa iyo sa ospital kapag nagjo-duty ka?
Ako hindi po. Yeah, so my patients are babies. So, no.
Oo nga. To be specific, you work in the NICU department of the hospital at the moment, right?
Apo, yeah.
Oo. Para sa mga kada natin, i-describe mo nga, Rosa, yung mga tungkulin mo bilang corpsman ng US Navy dyan sa ospital, dyan sa NICU department ng ospital na yan.
Yeah, so, pagka po military ka, and we're not in like wartime or anything, they
Yes.
put us in the hospital
Aha.
so we can still keep up with our skills.
Aha.
And right now, I'm in the NICU. Ano lang po, day-to-day ko is I take bottles of my baby. I feed them.
Wow.
Sa NICU po, dahil puro mga sakitin na baby, like mga premature babies.
Yes.
So we also train to like revive them when they stop breathing or something happens. They choke on their food because they're so young. They don't know how to eat yet, or they forget how to breathe.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I do day to day. It gets really chaotic.
At saka, naiba ng todo yung landas mo, di ba, Rosa? From being a beauty pageant titleist, ngayon na nagtatrabaho ka with tiny little humans na talaga namang nangangailangan ng special need at special help. Is there anything that you learned from being a beauty pageant titleist na nadala mo sa current trabaho mo dyan sa hospital?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I tell people this all the time back then when I was still joining a lot of pageants. Pageants take a lot of hard work.
Yes.
You juggle school. You have to go to the gym. You study your question and answer. It's a lot of work.
Yes.
If you don't have the discipline for it, you're not going to survive.
True. I mean,
Yeah, and it's just the same. Yeah, even like being in the military, we're so disciplined. Like everything we do is by the book. So it's not really like that far from my past.
grabe. At lagi nga sinasabi nung co-host ko dito na si Emma Tiglao na beauty pageant titleist din yan. Pag tinatanong siya, ready ka na ba? ang sasabihin ni Emma lagi, born ready. Parang mga military men natin, mga military women natin, always ready. Tama ba, Rosa?
Yeah, like all the time. Because hindi po namin alam kung kailan kami i-deploy, isa-send sa
Tama.
mission. So, we stay po ready 24/7. We keep up with our trainings 24/7. Our medical, like our health, everything.
Aha. But how
It's always
difficult,
up to date.
how difficult, ano yung pinaka-challenging para sa'yo nung nagte-train ka for the US Navy?
I was never like physically active when I was growing up, so that was definitely a challenge. Like all the physical activities, all of the running I do, working out, and then also when I went to boot camp, I was really homesick. I'm a big
Homesick.
family girly.
Yeah. Kasi
So yeah.
you grew up in Cavite. Mga kada si Rosa kasi ay tubong Cavite yan. And then, for the most of your life, nandun ka until you decided to go to the States for college, correct?
Yes po. Yeah.
Kaya talagang na-homesick ka.
Very. And I grew up po talaga, laki ako, most of like my friends are my cousins too. Talagang kasama ko po lagi buong mga pinsan-pinsan ko. I'm a mama's girl.
Oh.
And then all of a sudden, like I just moved and I'm far from them.
Yeah, I can imagine. When was the last time you visited them in Cavite? I know that your mom is here. Baka gusto mong batiin yung mga pamilya mo sa Cavite, Rosa, before we continue.
Yeah, I know. My mom was gonna be so proud of me. She didn't even know that I'm doing this. So she's gonna be so surprised.
Yay!
But hi, Ma. This for you. I love you so much.
Aw. Any plans of going back here anytime soon?
Oh yeah, I can't wait. My next duty station is going to be in Japan. So I was planning whenever I get there, I can go home, so it's closer.
So pati yung yung pagdestino mo sa iba't ibang lugar, it's also out of your hands. You never know where you're going to be next. Ganun ba yun?
Opo. Like right now po, I know I'm going to Japan, but I still don't know when. And my family's been asking me because I've been telling them like, yeah, I'm gonna visit when I go to Japan, but they've been asking me when, and I'm like, I can't tell you anything. I don't know neither.
Oo nga. I think the question begs to be answered, 'di ba? Na parang paano mo nga ba naisip na mag-crossover from being a beauty queen to being a US Navy sailor or reservist?
When I was in senior high, dyan po sa atin sa Pinas, I was figuring out like what I want to do with my life. Tapos po, COVID hit.
Yes.
And my dad was a US Navy too.
Okay.
And he gave me the idea that the Navy can pay for school while you're trying to figure out what do you want in life. And I was like, and then I also like really, really want to do something to make him proud and my mom. So I was like, you know what? Let me just do it. Why not?
Grabe. So ano yung pinaka hindi mo malilimutang mga memories with US Navy?
Boot camp. Oh my goodness.
What is that like? I'm sure it's really tough.
It what?
I'm
Hindi
sure-
po siya masyadong physically rough.
Okay.
Kasi Navy po kami. Mas rough po ang ibang branch like Marine or Army. Pero sa amin po ang hirap. It was really rough for me because lumaki po ako dyan sa atin summer all the time, right?
Yes.
Doon pumasok ako ng bootcamp, it was winter.
Ay, Ay, ang lamig! Saan to?
It was, yeah, like that picture, like it was snowing. It was so bad.
Aha.
And then yung training po namin more on, they isolate us so much. Wala po talaga kaming phone as in. Letters, like we were getting letters.
Yeah.
Tapos talagang super old school. And again, I just moved here, so I was already kind of homesick before I got to boot camp. So it just got worse there.
For sure.
It was bad.
Yeah. Pero wala namang no regrets about this new line of work, Rosa.
No. Well, I'm not gonna lie. Pumasok din po sa isip ko na, what am I doing here? Dun po nasa bootcamp ako, like, what am I doing here? But now, not really, no. Like, Navy is not a bad career at all. They're paying for my school right now. I
Yes.
have a stable paycheck. We have all the benefits. So, and I'm still trying to figure out what I want, but I'm still stable.
Aha.
So I'm okay. Like I
Uh-huh.
love it.
At bukod dun sa mga nabanggit mo ng benefits of being in the US Navy, how about your work at the NICU? Ano naman yung pinakagusto mo about it?
Working at the NICU, it's very rewarding. Yeah, because minsan po yung babies namin, it's like 2 pounds. They're like this small.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tapos, you get to see them grow. You get to see them get better until we send them home. So it's really rewarding. Like they were really sick. They can barely breathe by themselves. Hanggang po sa like they get bigger, and then you see the family so happy. It's very rewarding. It's
For
fulfilling.
sure. Hindi mo ba na-miss yung mga beauty queen days mo? Is there any chance of you competing again in some other pageants?
I miss it so much. I'm not gonna lie. I think about it all the time. I miss the
Talaga?
stage so much.
Wow!
But I don't know. I don't think it's for me anymore.
Oh, you can't say that for sure because even Miss Universe has lifted age limits, diba? And even if you're
This is
married, right? Even if you're married, you can still compete. What do you
Yeah,
think?
this is true, but I do miss it. I really do miss it. But I don't know. Maybe if I find a good handler here.
Well, I know it's, like you said, it's also no joke to be part of beauty pageants. It also entails a lot of expense. So, ipon ka muna, Rosa.
Yeah.
At saka alam kong you're currently in school. You are studying, what course again? Is it criminal justice? My gosh, what's your goal for this?
I wanted to be a forensic psychologist.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I'm in the medical field right now. So gusto ko lang po. That's why I'm taking criminal justice. So medyo like they can
Amazing.
blend together.
Amazing.
Yeah.
You never stop evolving, right? Kaya as a parting message to all our kadas who are watching you now, Rosa, anong payo may bibigay mo sa kanila from someone who keeps saying that she doesn't know what she wants to do with her life? You are totally achieving so much. Kaya ano na lamang ang may bibigay mong payo sa ating mga kadang nag-iisip-isip na mag-shift ng career or profession? Go ahead.
I'd say just do it. It's never too late. It's never too early. If you're not sure about like what you're doing right now, I'd say like go for the thing that what your heart tells you. Just do it. If you don't think you can do it, I promise you, you can. Like you'll be surprised of what you're capable of.
Tama. Coming from you, they will totally listen. Rosa, maraming salamat. At wala ka nang gusto i-shout out before we wrap this up?
No, I'm good. You said hi to my mom. That's all I need.
Yes, Mommy. I'm sure you're so proud of your daughter. At Rosa, maraming salamat. Keep trailblazing for the whole, for all Filipinos out there in San Diego. At take care of yourself, and we hope you achieve everything you want to achieve, Rosa. You look like someone who's out to achieve a lot of things.
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat! And good night!
Mga Kanet 25, this is Pia Guanyamago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye!